You will never learn the money-making secrets that I will give you in the video from anywhere else, because this secret of making money is being hidden from you. You can earn up to $45 an hour today from simple jobs that you will do from where you are sitting at home. How? Never forget the website that you are currently viewing on the screen. This website can earn you up to $45 an hour. How? You can reach the site by Google by typing ChatGPT and then clicking on the result at the beginning. We can register for free, or you can log in. After logging in, it will meet us such an interface, and that's where the real magic begins. For example, if I ask him to write a 500-word article about penguins, he will write me a 500-word article about penguins. Yes, as you can see, he created an information article about penguins of 500 words, exactly as you wanted. And thanks to this process, which we completed in minutes, we can make money from where we live at home. But how? There are a lot of people who write articles on global freelance platforms, and even if most of these authors write articles on fixed topics, they have access to very high amounts of clients. Today, our advantage is that we can produce articles in minutes on not just one topic and in one language, but in many languages and on many topics, and we can turn it into a service and sell it on global freelance platforms. But if you don't want to open and gig today and wait for the customer to find you, there is a way to come to a faster conclusion. But before showing this, I would like you to take 2 seconds below and like our video. If you are ready now, let's take a look at the amazing path. Yes, I have come to another global freelance platform, and I am coming to the search project section from the homepage immediately. I wrote "write article" in the search section and had it searched, and many jobs appeared in front of me. But don't worry, these jobs are not gigs for those who provide services, but jobs for those who do not want to receive services. For example, let's take a look at a sample job with you. In this job, he said he would pay between $30 to $150. You can register on this site and bid for this job, or you can try it open and gig and sell on Fiverr, another freelance platform. Don't worry about how I'm going to sell it starting out, because although there are hundreds of freelancers here, almost all of them make some money. Remember that they started from scratch just like you. Never lose motivation. You can earn $50 with a 2-minute transaction that you will do very easily on this site. Hundreds of people buy these services every day. You should take action and post and gig for them to take yours too. There are hundreds of other freelance sites, and most of them are free. You can also try these tactics on other freelance platforms. We are actually showing you many ways to earn money that have not yet been shown to you for free on our channel. If you want more ways to make money in this way, you can take a look at our channel. I would like to note that this is all from us for today. If you liked our video, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for free. In the comments section, write down which country you live in so that I will show you the methods of earning money that work for the country where you live. If you have watched it so far, write "I will be rich" in the comments. See you in other videos. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.